What's going on, YouTube? The Don't Record YouTube channel here. Welcome back. Look at this. I'm sitting in the passenger seat today. It's weird. I don't sit over here much. But who's driving? You got Garrett over there. Got Garrett from 18 Wheels Rolling. Okay, so this is his first time ever on the highway. This is his first time driving a cabover or even riding in a cabover.
I can't stop smiling.
He said he can't stop smiling. So, but yeah, he's working for me on the weekends now a little bit. So we'll get this boy trained up in the ways of the old school, and teach him right the first time, and then he'll know it for the rest of his life. But there he is. He's doing his thing over there.
I can't be no happier, man.
I can't be no happier because I don't have to drive.
I hear that, and I was waiting for that.
Alright, we'll get back to you in a little bit. We just crossed into Mississippi. Youngster's got about, I don't know, he's got about 162 miles left to go. He's doing good. Missed a couple shifts earlier, but it happens. Like an old man told me once, he said, I ain't never missed one gig. He said, I've missed a bunch. But yeah, we're rolling. Get out to Delta and we'll swap places, and I'll bring us on back to Atlanta. But yeah, the kid's doing good. He's over there smiling from ear to ear. Alright, we'll get back with y'all in a little bit. Alright guys, we're getting ready to roll through Vicksburg. Cross over the mighty Mississippi. Get off at our exit in Louisiana and swap trailers and head on back. Oh, young buck, he did good.
Appreciate it, man. Getting a little tired, though.
Yeah,
I think I'm a nap pretty good.
He's starting to get a little bit tired.
Hell, I've been up since 7:30.
Yeah, I got up at 7:15. I was sitting there. It's like I don't want to get up.
I'm playing with Vader and shit.
Yeah. Yeah, we're getting ready to swap these trailers, and I think the kid's gonna go back there and take a nap, and I'm gonna bring her back to Atlanta. And then I'll finally get to go to bed whenever we get back to Atlanta. It's been a long day. I'll shoot a little bit whenever we're swapping trailers and probably end it off there. Alright, buddy, so what'd you think?
I love it. I gotta get used to that shifting just a little bit. But other than that, I'm ready to roll with you, man.
Hell yeah.
I love it. Shifting is a little different. That's the difference. He put new headlights in that old 379. That's a difference.
Yeah. Get it in them boots. Get this thing dropped, go back there and meet William and grab our backhoe and head on back to Atlanta. Yeah, the kid did good. He's a little tired now, understandably. Oh. My ass is a little sore from sitting in the passenger seat. It ain't got my butt groove or in it. Hop in.
Well, my shit's so quick, so it looks like I get to the light. What trailer?
That one right there behind that Kenworth. Let me swap trailers real quick. I'll do a quick outro and then we'll hit the road. Alright guys, well that's going to wrap it up for tonight. I'm going to take us on back to Atlanta and go home and get some sleep. And we'll see y'all on the next one. Thanks for stopping by.